100. Shares a fade like them good old boys. I ain't got much to say, no. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, man, I just dropped a couple hundred. Shares a fade like them good old boys. I ain't got much to say, no. Yeah, yeah, yeah. The light was there the whole time. The light was there the whole time. Yeah, the light was there the whole time. The light was there the whole time. Yeah. Ooh, I'm blessed. Yeah. I can see a green line if I went blind, and every low is a higher low. And if you don't know, now you know. Ooh, I'm blessed. Yeah. If you see me on the rise, don't be surprised, and every low is a higher low. And if you don't know, now you know. Now you know. The light was there the whole time. Yeah, the light was there the whole time. The light was there the whole time. Yeah, the light was there the whole time. The light was there the whole time. Yeah, the light was there the whole time. The light was there the whole time. Yeah. 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 She was trading gold for a decade or so, and it's heavy to hold, but she carries a load. Can't compare to the gold, it's incomparable. They say everything gold, but I'm checking the code. Every single investment I get in my zone, but they never the best, it ain't ever the most. Her level of flexing, she never opposed. Never the type to be shy, never the type to get goals. In her zone, she's so cold. I try to win her heart, but I know it's already sold. And she don't got the time for somebody she can't control. And I can't waste my life on somebody I can't console, but I'm holding on to hope. So if you see the gold queen, tell her she's the only one I need. I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, I'm still down to do the right thing. If you see the gold queen, tell her she's the only one I need. I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, the gold queen, I said the gold queen. Yeah, I felt for the first time I heard the phone ring. The day she said she met a man who tried to sell her a dream. And she said, no thanks, I got enough already, but you get in my team. She's traveled the world and made a living off of any place with Wi-Fi and electricity. She's still getting money if it's connected to the city. And still no man in her life that can keep her in life. And it's worthy of a legend in the making. A woman who can live a whole life off of trading. They called her Jane, she was born in the 80s. But there's no way I could put my heart on the line. A woman with the confidence to look in my eyes and tell me she could change my life if I give her my time. And there's no man on this planet who would try and let it slip out of his fingers in the night. And I thought of a woman with a brilliant mind, and I was lucky enough to call her mine for one night. So if you see the gold queen, tell her she's the only one I need. And I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, I'm still down to do the right thing. If you see the gold queen, tell her she's the only one I need. Yeah, I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, I'm still down to do the right thing. I mean, if you see the gold queen, tell her she's the only one I need. And I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, I said I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, if you see the gold queen, tell her she's the only one I need. And I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, I said I'm down to do the right thing. Gold queen.
Yeah, we call it the wick and flip. Might see a move come your way, then dip. Oh, wick and flip. A move come your way, then dip. But once you catch the flip, then it goes up quick. So we bank on the move. Bank on the move. close. The first move is not always the real move. You gotta wait for the candle to close. The first move is not always the real move. But once you catch the flip, then it goes up quick. I see it so clear. All my dreams right in front of me. Yeah, I see it so clear. I know what it takes, but I feel so far. So close, yet so far. I see it so clear. It's right there, but it feels so far. So close, yet so far. See, it starts with a spark. I mean, the real reason why you start trading in the first place, right? That little glimmer of hope, that vision you get of the life you want to live, that desire, the one you think about all the time, but it feels so far away. And the problem with this desire is that it creates anxiety, impatience, frustration, and ultimately pain. So close yet so far. 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 So close yet so far, so close yet so far. So close yet so far, so close yet so far. Now, in my experience, there's only one way to get what you want to get to the life you want to live, and it's through pain. The pain of self-reflection, of truly understanding yourself. The pain of knowing that your only enemy is you. The pain of knowing that your emotions control you. The pain of knowing that your emotional lack of control is the only thing that is stopping you. The pain of being real with yourself. And if you can sit with this pain for long enough, something magical happens. You unlock a superpower. You gain access to something that the majority of people don't have. Emotional discipline. So close yet so far, so close yet so far. So close yet so far, so close yet so far. So close yet so far, so close yet so far. So close yet so far, so close yet so far.
She said take a left on Rodeo, only with the Brazilian rainbow. She took me to the hideout, where the killers and the traitors. She said you better say your prayers. I said hallelujah. She said take a left on Rodeo, with the Brazilian rainbow. She took me to the hideout, where the killers and the traitors. She said you better say your prayers. I said hallelujah.
The Underground Railroad, where the G's and the B's go. The OGs know that. The OGs know that. Coach and Izzy, they know where the B2Ps go. The OGs go there.
I just found my people, I just found my people, yeah.
The Underground Railroad,
Underground railroad,
yeah, yeah. Oh, I say hallelujah. Pull up to the function with the gang, riding in a Maybach with the case, cashing all these Porsches with the play, roll up on the block, we getting paid. We just got off a flight from LA. Welcome to the underground, hey. This is a sacred place.
oh yeah, yeah.
I might hit a lick, I might trade a brick with the G's and the B's, and we cashing out on trees. Cause I came with spicy G, and we bout to run it up, cause you know it's us. The Underground Railroad, where the G's and the B's, where the G's and the B's. OGs know that, OGs know that, OGs know that, OGs know that. Coach and Easy, they know. Where the P2Ps, where the PCPs. OGs know that, OGs know that, OGs know that. Ocean Easy, they know. Where the PTPs, where the PTPs go. Pockets getting tight is the end.
The show is for educational purposes only and is not financial or investment advice. Only trade with money you can afford to lose. All commentary represents personal opinions. You are solely responsible for your own trading decisions and outcomes. Do your own research and consult a qualified financial professional. Viewing the show does not create an advisor-client relationship.
Welcome, everybody, to the Power Hour Special featuring myself, Logan, the CSO, and Javi, the Maestro. It is March 5th, Thursday, 2:45 p.m. We are trading the last hour of the market. Mr. Maestro, how are you doing today, sir?
Pretty dang amazing. Pretty dang amazing. Can't complain.
Nice.
How about yourself, brother?
Good. I'm chilling. I had a small win this morning. So as we know, my losing streak ended yesterday. But we took a small win today that made up for the loss. So I'm feeling good. And yeah, tomorrow, unless some type of consistency issue, I will be taking a $55,000 Apex withdrawal.
Ooh, hell yeah, baby. Finally, one of us.
It only took 15 months of trading, but after almost a year and a half, I will be making a $55,000 Apex maximum withdrawal, which means I have finally, again, I'm not going to say anything until it happens, because anything can happen, right, guys? Who knows? I could just go full-blown psychopathic tilt tomorrow morning. You never know, right? But knock on wood, if this does happen, I will have collected all of the prop firm affinity stones, maximum payout on every single prop, which is pretty cool.
That's an insane achievement. Insane achievement. So hell yeah, guys. Let's trade some chop. Yeah, I mean, it's been, quite choppy. We need to break out 63, then 74. We've been fighting this area, 788, and then 792 on SPX. And then we got this zone right here between 862 and 888 on the 5. So we are trapped. This is ugly 5-minute chop. Been stuck in here since 1 p.m. Ho.
What if Apex said you did something incorrect and took the payouts from you? Well, then I'll trade another 8 days. But my strategy is a one and done. I take the exact same trade every single day, exact same contracts every single day, exact same time every single day. I do not take another trade. I do not DCA. I do not break any of the rules. I one and done. So logically, there's no reason for me to get denied except the consistency. There was like 1 or 2 days where I might have made too much. Fine, no problem. And then I'll take another trade or two and not a problem. But I looked at the statistics and everything matches and aligns. I'm also well above buffer. So I could get denied, but I'm not upset with it. Apex is a great prop firm. And if they do deny me, then I'll trade again until I get it. But everything is showing that it should be good. What was a total 1.5 year investment in Apex? A lot of money. But I can confidently tell you when I secure this payout, I'm going to get 5 more after that. So 8 days after that, I'll get another 55. 8 days after that, another 55. 8 days after that, another $55,000. I can confidently say that. If you don't believe me, cool. Don't care.
I would just need 2K payout and I'll be green on Apex. I barely spend money on Apex. I barely, which is sad. And the few times that I have, they were like $20. All right,
It's
we making
no, I have the
yeah.
old accounts. I have the old accounts. So its max payout is $2,750 per account. You multiply that by 20, it's $55,000. All 55K goes into my bank. That's not there's no percentage share or anything. These are the older accounts as well. These are the ones that were difficult, is where I somehow managed to accomplish it right before they have the new release.
It's gonna be a close break of this 61. Now we could see 88, but with this, I want to see this retest of 60 if it can hold. I already did it. I couldn't even look at my DOM. Now we have a
These are
88. Oh, there goes. There goes. No chill. Just left.
Do a lot of people
an
get denied on
insane-
their payouts? Well, now they guarantee payouts, so no, that won't be an issue.
Yeah, with the new accounts though, there's 80. 88 will be this top area where we could see the next resistance point.
Yep, same here, Hobby. Yep, same with me. 89 is mine.
Nice.
I have a resistance. Yep.
Awesome, bro. So there's a little bit of a pullback there. That was a clean break. Pushed right in. So now we have to see if we can hold above 73, if we can break above on the next 5 minutes, maybe. I want to see it hold above 60. This is still
How
within
does it
the
feel?
chop.
How does it feel making so much after all the years? After all the years, I haven't even hit a plural amount of years yet.
We've been trading futures. It'll be 2 years where we started the mastermind was 2024, like September. Yeah. We, we haven't even been trading futures for 2 years. I've traded options.
I started in September, so October, November, December, January, February.
Crazy. It's crazy to think
I haven't
about.
even hit a year and a half yet. Are we looking for shorts? No.
No, this is looking like it wants to push up, but it's slowly doing it. Here's the retest of the 60 area. Look at that. Almost a quick 10-point bounce so far, but if it can't hold it, back inside the range we have potential to get into. And there goes, bleeding right through it, but it needs to hold above it. That 1 minute candle closed at 62. This next one, if it closes below it, then we might retest this whole 40 down to pretty much 840. It's just going right now and doing it already. Now we got Purple Boy.
It's interesting, Javi. I've
Look at that. The candle pulled all the way up. But again, this is the candle pushed all the way up at the last second. But that's very much on the verge. Closed above 60. Go ahead, brother.
No, you're good. I'm watching it also. No, I was just gonna say I hated trading for a while. Like recently, probably like the last few months. Like trading pays me money. I make good money on it. But I've like grown to distaste trading a lot. I think because I was trading too much.
Whoa. Are we in the Terminator right now?
I
Whoa.
don't think that
Dude, I think you lagged out. Oh my
Being
God.
moving around. Oh,
Dude, you
Javi's
were
now
that was Domo
lagging and
Arigato,
freezing.
Mr. Rubato. Is it my turn?
Oh, I just
Is
disconnected and my
Discord
whole internet just went.
is Discord bugging?
All right, are we good now? My whole internet went out. Are we good now?
Yeah, dude. Right when you start talking,
All right.
you were spitting, bro. You were
Okay.
spitting.
No, it
860
was.
is not
No, it
holding.
definitely was because my whole internet freaked out. Yeah, my whole internet freaked out. Yeah, the internet, the Matrix is stopping me. Like, Logan, no, don't tell him. No, I was just saying, like, I've started to re-like trading again.
Big purple.
I think everybody can confidently say that you, Javi, have a different type of psychology and discipline because you are the only person that I know that has the capability to trade all day and it not fuck with you psychologically. I noticed for me is that as I started to trade more and more and more, that it started to fuck with me. And I built all these strategies around finding potential strategies to trade all day, every day, all the time. And now that I have found a strategy where I take a one and done in the morning. Whoa, we're dumping.
Yeah, that was a big boy that just came in.
But now that I have a one and
Boy came
done,
in.
it makes my life so much easier. And like, I like trading again where it's like
That 60 gave way.
now I'm done.
I couldn't even enter a trade. I was too busy dancing Domo Arigato.
Can we watch
The lag threw it off.
Can we watch gold today? No, not for me at least.
Gold ranges horribly during power hour. I do not like watching gold during power hour. I prefer gold during Asia session. See if we retest all the way back up to 60 again. Actually, we could retest up to 50. If it holds below 50. If it breaks back above 50, back to 60. Dom's going nuts over here at 40. Bounce right off that 821 level. That's a 15-minute level on the 5-minute chart. Oh no.
I'm not sure why the AI is turning Logan into Logan Paul. Oh yeah, that's rough. That is
Logan Paul.
Not me.
There's 50. Is it gonna? Nope, it's looking like it wants to crack right through it.
Lovi, you're a student of mine. You should know what I'm talking about.
And we're resisting right now. Low.
Will the course on WAP still get updated with new material, or should I get it on the website? I would recommend anybody who's going to buy the course to buy it on the website.
Yeah, you get max bucks.
Yeah,
remember
max
that.
bucks. Yeah. Now I have it on WAP, but I always recommend going through the website. It's easier for you. It's easier. It's more sense. It's constantly updated. It's fluid. We don't have to rely on WAP. I can make adjustments and edits and changes. The website makes more sense, guys.
All the way back up to the 60. Now it needs to do the same thing, break back under 50 and keep going if it's going to reject. If not, we're going to get potential another push up. This is going to be the range. 60 and 50 right now. So it's going to break one side. Back and forth, back and forth.
Is WAP being migrated to a new platform? No. We just have the Max Options Trading website now, which is entirely different than WAP, and it's fluid and it's easy and it's smooth, and we recommend everybody use the website instead.
All right, it's breaking 60. It's trying to at least.
Yes, but if you're a student of mine, I recommend all of you migrate to the website because eventually I'm going to stop uploading on WAP.
I'm waiting for that candle to close above. Even then, this is still tight. 5 minutes still needs to break over that freaking 88 area up top. This could easily just reject back down. This range is insanely big. We got a 3Z up, maybe a 3Z up. I still don't see anything good right now.
Do you need to get the indicator or vice versa? Nope. Nope. Do we think gold will go up? I don't know. I don't trade gold anymore. I only trade NQ.
Gold, but not during power hour. Not during power hour. It's rejecting 60 again. Needs to break this for it to try to go up. But it's stuck in this chop. Needs to now break below 50 and hold below 50 if we're going to get some more push down. If not, it's just going to be between 50 and that 60 area. Back and forth. Look, see? It's 10 point. Just wild swings back and forth right now.
Prime time. Look at that turnaround, dude. Look at that turnaround from when we last spoke. Good job, dude.
It's prime time.
Good work, brother.
I did another one of those where we went out to shop with the wife.
I saw that. Yeah, I didn't follow up with it. How'd it go? What'd you do?
We're gonna put it together.
Nice.
Way more than she spent.
That
So
stuff
that
is way.
pro, where is it?
That stuff is
Here
great.
it
That, that honestly, dude, if you can do that, if you can get some like good vlogging of that, that shit is very entertaining.
Yeah, we started when we started. It was nuts how much I made in 30 minutes. We started.
Wow. Yeah, right, dude. If your wife bought $4,000 worth of makeup, that'd be insane.
I can't remember the exact amount. We ended up I made $800, and I recorded every single one of the trades, except for the ones where we were waiting for lunch. We went to go pick up lunch. Those are the only ones I didn't record, but the majority of them I recorded it. I made like 400 or 500 within 30 minutes, just scalping with 3 micros. I think at one point I went 4 or 5. I recorded every single one of them.
Hobby's wife, you didn't spend that much, but that was the intention. So I'm just saying, the rest of that goes for more purchase. You got to go buy more. You got to go back to the store.
She said that's what she said. She said we need to go shopping more.
Yeah.
So 42.23 on that pro, 800 added in the hour that we were out. So I made $800 in 1 hour on the pro to add it to what I already had on there. And I recorded
if you're watching this, I'm not doing that. If you're watching this, Alyssa, I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that. No.
Yeah, it was fun as hell to do that.
Not a chance.
Oh man, this thing is just struggling to break 860, but it keeps pounding on it. Keeps pounding on it. I'm on one of these cheap apexes right now. I'm looking for 49. Oh my god, I almost gave it to me. Actually, 48 is what I need. There it is. There's 48. Now I'm gonna trail. All right. These have daily loss limits, right? These new 50Ks, these new end of days.
I think so, yeah.
All right. I shouldn't be playing them this aggressive. Holy crap! The dump is dumping. Oh my god! I'm up $1,100 right now. Holy shit! I went in with 3 minis. I shouldn't have played that aggressive. They're $30. There. All right. My last one's about to get trailed out if it crosses 45. Look at that. Just resisted 60. Very nice drop. It's the range, guys. It's the chop. The range, the chop. Oh my god, this thing is still dropping. We still going. Oh snap. Keep going, keep going. I'm up. Oh my god, I'm up 1,500. 600 right now on my last runner. Holy crap. Oh my god, I'm up 700 on my runner.
I'll jump in with you.
Holy
If we break
shit.
up this history.
And I got trailed out on that random pop-up right there. I don't know what that was. Whoa!
Whoa.
What is going on? This trailed me out right there. Oil field operation US confirmed. Should I full port to pass this bitch now? No, I'm too close. That is big blue.
That is news.
That's
That is definitely
trifecta
news.
right there. Maybe
That is
on
definitely
the
news.
micros. Let me wait for that pullback. That was a hell of a bullish move right there, but I want to see that big pullback all the way down to 60
All right.
again. If this can get all the way back down to 60, I want to see what it does down there.
Well, obviously, I have no opportunity for a short now, so I'm going to wait for a long. Print through 9:15.
60.
That was interesting.
And oh my god. Hit 67. I'm just being a DJ on this account right now.
What do you guys think of Ninja Trader? It's good. I mean, I use Tradeovate. I don't use Ninja Trader.
60. This needs to hold this 60 area.
Market goes up on oil field attacks. Is that what it was? Trump
Oil
rules
field
out
attack?
tapping strategic petroleum reserve.
There's another bounce off 60. Just quick 10-point bounces right now, but that's it. I'm not going to play this anymore.
No trades.
Yeah, it's melting again. Now it broke 60. Those bounces look so weak. Just a 10-point bounce. That was all it gave us. That was fun. Closed back above 60. It closed above 60. This is going to push back up, I think. This needs to close 2 minute. Yeah, this is looking like it's getting ready to push again. There goes. Already going. No opportunity for me. Oh man. Ah. Done that pop. That poop. I just DCA'd the heck out of that one. Too much news. End of day spikes are sick. That was crazy. Strat 7 paid off. What's Strat 7, Eddie? Oh, is that your DCA into Oblivion, Strat?
Jeez.
Every 10 seconds, whatever you did. Oh man. It bounced and now we're back to that 60 area. That 60 area is where it needs to hold. So far this candle didn't close below it. Next candle closed above it, and there it goes back up again. But if it closes below 60, we're definitely gonna challenge that whole candle. There is going right below it again. Is it gonna close below it? No, pushing right back up. Look at that. It's not gonna close below it. Now it needs to break back over 68.25. There it goes. Oh yeah, baby. Look, another opportunity to scalp that shit off of 60.
Yo, the ATR is high.
Dude, that explosion, that was nuts. That was a big ass explosion.
The ATR is really high right now. What is going on? Print through
Oil
28.
news.
Go on.
Oil news.
Do I need to
It's a
increase my
huge
TP and
blue
stop
candle.
loss? Yeah, I guess I have to.
It's a huge, huge blue candle. I'll play caution here for now. That held beautifully. 60, pumped up 40 points from there if anybody caught that beauty, but I the pullbacks could be insane on this.
If I do enter this trade, which again it doesn't look like it is because it's pulling down, but if I do, I'm gonna have a pretty big TP and stop loss because the volatility is going up, the ATR is going up, and I need to just trade smart. I am not touching my accounts that I've already traded this morning. Cannot reiterate that. I do not touch my accounts I traded in the morning. Unless I have evals.
Go. 3Z up, 3Z up. There goes. There's the 3Z up. Maybe 940 next. We see 940.
Yeah, print through 30 and I'm in.
940 will be the next area. What's this blue line for? It's already been broken. It's invalidated. I want to see if it'll tap 940 next. 5-minute SPX got a big ass gap it's trying to fill. NQ did. I mean, yeah, it did this 5-minute break. We tested the whole breaking candle.
Here we go. Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. Not yet. Not
Damn,
yet.
I didn't screenshot that. Well,
not yet. Wait. 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 Not yet. Patience. Patience.
I did pass this eval on that pop up. I could not screenshot that one, that push up that I
And
got with the 3Z.
testing. And not yet.
And I got another account already also swimming in this. I am playing these 50Ks way too aggressive. What is wrong with me right now? This is what's
All
wrong
right.
when there's $30.
We're going to test it. We're going to test the long here.
There, oh, it almost hit 940. It hit 934. Needs to break 940 next if this is going to keep going. This pulls beneath 920. I'm out. There goes. My runner got trailed out. Let's see if it pulls itself back up, though, because it needs to hold 900. If it retests 900, I'll lieball an area there. But if not, let me go to this now. Maybe I'll test it on this one. Ooh, it's getting spiky. It's getting spiky up here.
Okay. All right. Keep going. Come on.
Quite aggressive here. I'm looking for 91.75 on this secondary. I re-entered on the pullback on another account. I'm working on these one at a time, but if it pulls under 910, I'm out of this one for now. I'm only risking 10 for 10.
Jay the Creator, another day using the PHP funded. Great work. $1,300 on the accounts. Solid work.
It's gonna break. I'm out. Okay. Let me see if it'll touch 900 or not. There's 900.
I'm going to put my stop losses at
Wow.
95.
I can touch 900 on the T.
Stop losses are at 95.
901.50. Oh my God. It is how I got back in it right down there. Oh, dude, I was down. I was slightly in the red on this account when it broke 910. Re-entered on 900 touch. Now I'm slightly in the green. This is fun. This is fun. This one was minus 350. Now it's green, $70. I'm trailing my runner right now. I shouldn't be playing minis on these freaking apexes. Why am I playing minis on these apexes? I should switch to. I should go back. $22 C Lobos. All right, got trailed out back, broke under 10 again. If this pulls all the way down under 900, I'm going to look for 868 if it breaks under 900. It looks like it's holding it pretty well, so that's nice.
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
My trade of 8 just reset. Did I get stopped out? No. Oh, I'm green. Okay, cool. Oh, wait.
Like
no, I'm not. Just
a
kidding.
little bit of weakness here. I want to see it start really popping over 20 and holding.
Not green yet, but I will be soon. All right, there we go. All right.
There we
Keep
go.
going. So stop losses are at 95. Stop losses are at 95. I'm going to trim up here at the 50 area.
Go, baby.
If we get up to 50,
This is
I'm
a
going to
newer
trim.
account. I'm up 960 on this new account. The other account stopped at 700. So, yeah. I made 3K on that one Apex. I played heavy. Yeah, I think I'm going to switch back to micros now, guys. I'm going to play it easy now. I don't know why. I don't even know why I was trading minis, honestly. It just loaded up with minis off the bat, so I had to put in micros. Whew! That was exciting. That was exciting.
I don't like that we're ranging here. It's very annoying. I don't even want to fucking trade anymore.
940 needs to break, but this is setting up for a level here at 917. And if it breaks 900, looking for that pullback. This is holding 900 pretty well, but I want to see what happens here. If this comes hold 900, then start breaking.
How many
over
contracts
17.
would you trade on MNQ Hobby?
So let me see what happens here. This candle's about to close. There it is. There's 17 breaking again. If it can hold above 17, man, let's see. It's right there on the edge. It's fighting it. It's fighting it. Oh, that's on the edge. That's on the edge right there. That barely. What did that close at? A freaking 1775. There it goes. You're back, dude. You're back. You're back. Come on, keep going. No, I don't want to. I don't want to see it start pulling down. I want to see it keep pushing, pushing, pushing.
The gap it has to fill there. Now it's been filled.
That level will be around 920. It looks like. Be somewhere up here. That level fills. If that level locks in, then there's potential for a wide push. But right now, if this can continue to rip it apart, I want to see it start closing above where that cross is going to form. But if it's not, there's definitely potential for a pullback here. There's a level 920 and a quarter. All right, that's what I want to see. I want to see it start pushing above, and I want to see it flip it. That's good. That's good. That's good. Come on. Now I want to see this 920 area hold. And we should get that push. There it goes. There it goes. There it goes. There it goes. Look at that. Bro, you're good. You're good. You're ninth. Come on.
Come on.
Get up there. Break that 40 next. Break that 40 next. How many contracts do I trade on M&Q? UAP, thanks for the $2, brother. I usually trade 6 micros on 50K accounts. 6 micros. When I upload, there's 940 tap. There's the 940 tap. Needs to break through that next, and then we get more potential push up. We might be going for bottom side orb here. 980. There it goes. There's the 940 break. Now I want to see 940 hold. I want to see continuation push. I want to see 940 start to hold. We want to see it to continue to push, bro. You're going to get it. You're going to get it.
Come on. 4 more
You're gonna get
points.
it, bro. Come on.
Currently up 20 points on this trade, but come on.
Let's see, Jansen. Hopefully you're right. Hopefully there's gonna be a nice MOC move, but we'll see once we get close to it. Common trades. Hopefully you didn't listen to yourself and full port the shorts, because you'd be toasted right now. Hopefully, I don't know what time you posted that. I don't know what time you posted that either. It's like it's playing around the 940 area. 920.25 is that level that formed. If it does come back to touch it, I want to see that area hold. 5 minute, just rejected on that second level of downtrend. We're almost right on it. This was right at 46.75. If we can rip through that, we're definitely going to touch bottom side of orb. But we might start ranging here. Anything to use here on the 2? Nope. Anything here on the 5? Nope. There's 920. Let's see if 920 holds. Whoa. There it goes again.
Stop losses up to 16.
Hey! Oh, that sounded like the robot got bitch slapped, dude. That sounded like the robot just got pimp slapped right there. Anybody else hear that? You heard the same pads. Yeah.
Can't move my stop losses. My computer is frozen.
Hey, look at it go. I'm up $100 on 3 micros. I already got rid of 1. Hey, must be the money. Hey.
Oh my
I
God.
got a bunch of these.
Oh my God.
That 920,
Dude,
that 920 tap was golden, guys. Anybody catch the 920 tap for another 20 some points right there? 20 points, 20 points. We eating the chop.
I missed my TP by
Eating
1
in the
point.
chop.
Just hit my TP, you bitch.
Get up there.
1 point away.
I'm collecting on the ups and the downs. I'm collecting.
There we go.
Oh my God, there we go.
All right, we're up 30 points. Let's go. Jeez. Taking forever. Trade exhaustion is real.
Oh yeah, baby. Now you want to see 40 hold again. You want to see 40 keep holding here. It's going to create another level here, potentially around 42. We're going to get
all
that
contracts
tap
and profit.
orb.
Runners. Now I'm chilling. I'm good. TP hit, trim some contracts, rest are running.
Hell yeah. Bunch of opportunities. Pulled back to 900, bounced off of 900, collected on the push up, pushed back to 920, got some more off of that. Easy peasy. Easy peasy. Let's go. Our runner's still running. It's running. I want to see this thing hit bottom side of orb at 80. If this can lock in and hold above this 47 on this last couple minutes,
up 35
points.
Oh shit, we're ripping. Wow, this was a great trade.
Bro.
Took a little bit to kick in. We're up 40 points. Oh my gosh.
Go. Get to 80s. Get to the 80s. Come on. Hit the bottom side of orb. Just give it a little smooch. Just like when you drop that first deuce in the toilet and then the water just comes up and chef's kiss. And then you're kind of like, oh, so cold. The water's so cold. Y'all turn a little bit, you all get a little flowery when that water hits your bottom side in the morning. Right? Is it just me? It's probably just me. Okay.
Okay.
It's me then.
Yeah, whatever you say, dude. I did go in this with 3 minis scaled in, added, and
no pen.
in case you guys are curious, I trimmed 2. Did I screenshot that? I think I screenshot it. Here you go. In case you guys are curious how much I am up.
Oh my
I'm
God,
currently
it's still
up
going.
$3,500 in this trade since the entry. We are up 45 points, and we're ripping.
I'm up. I made 30. I passed that one Apex account with 3,500. I'm up 600 on this account. Where's the other account at? 100, 600 on this one, and 700 on the other account. So that's like, I don't know, 5K, so almost 5K. Not a bad power hour.
NQ
Not a bad
long now
power
or
hour.
what? Yes, this Logan guy seems
Some
sassy.
frickin'
You just
minis.
keep spamming it, trying to get your attention as if you're funny. But keep doing it. This is a scale-in opportunity. I'm not going to scaling because I've already scaled in once. I don't need to keep scaling in. I'm currently up $4,000 on this trade.
Give us
So
80.
actually,
Give us
technically, I'm up
80.
12,000 because I have this split between
Almost
3
there.
accounts. We are up
I'm
55 points on this trade right now.
There's 80. Oh my gosh. There we go. There's 80. Boom. 80.
60 points.
Yeah.
We're
And
up
it's ripping right through it.
65.
It's
We're up 70.
break back
We're up
inside of orb, baby.
70.
Oh my God.
5 almost. It's a
What
good
a
trade, Javi.
trade. Yeah,
is a
what a
great
trade, bro. What a freaking trade.
Good work, my boy. I love it when we got
There you
that
go.
double confluence from the Maestro CSO combo. Beautiful.
Easy, guys. Easy. And I'm about if it breaks under 80, I'll get trailed out. I don't give a damn.
I got stop losses at 73. 72.
Almost
72.
another. Yeah, this account's down at 700 now. So 700, 714, and 35. So just under 5,000 for power hour. Okay, do not degen like me. And this, remember, those are evals. Okay, do not degen like me. Oh my God, this thing is ripping.
Right.
Still,
We have crossed
still in it.
75 points in profit now.
Do not trade minis.
The UAP, how many
days.
contracts would you trade on MNQ? He asks you, Javi.
What? Oh yeah, I answered that. I answered the UAP guy. Yeah, I do six micros max. 6 micros max. You guys will see when I post that content up. I made freaking $400 in 30 minutes with, I think on one time I went 4 micros or 5 micros. I don't know. I have to go back and look at it, but I made the majority of my trades with 3 micros. Recorded all the trades on my phone while my wife was shopping. You guys will see what you can do with 3 freaking micros. Do I use volume profile? Nope, I do not. Order flow charts either? No. I don't, but I've seen people that use it as confluence with quantum and stuff. You know, even order books. I don't use any of that though. What's that one with the bubbles with like the balls and shit? Oh, I got trailed out right there.
I'm at
What's the one with all the,
74
like,
is my stop loss. 73 and at 75
book
technically.
maps? That's what it's called. Book maps.
All right, I'm out.
That thing.
I am out of the trade.
Woo! What a trade, guys. Look at that. Started all the way down here. Broke that 60. Waited for
That
it.
was a 75-point long. Oh my God, trading is so hard. I don't understand. How are you guys profit? Trading is so difficult.
Yeah.
Get real.
Follow through.
Get real.
Beautiful break. Retest of the whole breaking candle. Skyrocketed. Beauty right here. Broke all the bearish candles. Just a beautiful setup. Just a beautiful
Can't
setup.
repeat what you said. 11, but do not think trade a turn. All right. Well, I'm happy. I'm done today.
Box. Everything was in display. Sauce box, PHP, all of it. Now, what time is it? Okay, we're about to get 3:30 volume to kick in. 3:30 volume is about to kick in. I want to see if it pulls right now. We are stuck between a bunch of levels. 82 just got created, 44 and 20. So this is where we're going to be trapped. We just rejected bottom side of orb. SPX has a few gaps to fill. It's got gaps everywhere. Gaps galore.
Let's go short. I'm done trading, but I'm done for the day. I've had enough of the charts. That trade gave me trade exhaustion. Even though it went 75 points, it took way too long. And my average trade is 1 minute now. So I'm done.
Babe.
Later, everybody.
Ow. Got one of them weird ass pimples underneath my beard right here. I can't shave until this.
Ooh, hate those.
Like-
It's like an ingrown hair, maybe. Yeah.
Yeah, dude, shit hurts. And I
Yep.
keep poking it. I'm this idiot. I'm the idiot that when I get like scratched or I've stabbed myself working in the kitchen, all sorts of stuff. I keep poking at it, even though I know it hurts. Like it hurts bad, and I'm just like, ow, ow. Same thing with bruises. It's like I keep just freaking touching it. All right, that didn't do much. I mean, that was a nice push down. Did you catch that short?
No, I'm not shorting. I'm done. I'm
Oh,
really
I
done
thought you
trading.
caught it a little bit.
Nope.
All right, needs to break 44 and a quarter. There it goes, but it needs to close below it. Then we may see 920 again. If it holds it, I want to see what it does if it challenges this guy up here. Between here, you have 69 and 82. Let's see it just bounce right off of 44 really cleanly so far.
If you guys, I got a question for the audience. If you could buy, let's say I gave you, let's say you had an infinite amount of money to buy any car that you wanted. What car would you buy?
I would ship one of them freaking Korean.
It has, okay,
ones.
let me put this out. It has to be street legal, and it has to be something that I would drive every once in a while. Not me personally, or I guess you would drive every once in a while.
Aren't the new Skylines built by BMW or some shit? Or they got like a Toyota body or something? I don't remember. I'm not a fan of the new Skylines, honestly. I used to like them. A Bugatti. I honestly would just buy one of them cool ass vans that they have in Korea. That you could like literally have a party inside of. Max, probably a Rolls Royce Cullen Mansory 1 of 1. Oh snap! It broke the purple. Oh man, I missed the entry. No, the break.
All right.
70. Oh man, it didn't move much. It didn't move much. It still needs to break 88. If this can hold this whole breaking candle, where I want to see if it will retest 60 and can hold 60, then potential. But right now, this is tight. Honestly, this is tight. This could keep going. It could rip. This is that clean break and retest.
We got
bearish move right here.
Kia Carnival. Nice.
There goes. Yeah, Kia Carnival. That's my boo right now. That's my boo. 69. Oh my god, this was like a 10-point risk trade too.
Paganzi. Okay. Ferrari, Lambo. Okay, but what
Paganzi.
type of Ferrari? What type of Lambo? GT3 RS. I think Porsches are for women.
Oh,
Another
Lama's about to hunt your ass down. Okay, he came all the way back to test the 60 area. The Dom's not going that crazy down here, and it's barely bouncing.
Urus.
I don't know if it wants to hold.
C8 Corvette.
Oh, he held it.
I've had a C8 Corvette.
Man, back down we go.
Ferrari Puro saying so that's the SUV. Tesla Model X. Okay. Dan's such a liberal. Good for the economy.
Hey, it played out. It played out. I had shit entry too. Hey. That was a low risk trade though. I could not take that. Oh my god, there it goes. That 60 retest. That was literally a 5-point risk trade right here. If it broke 60, I would have been out of it. Beautiful retest of 60, up 20 points right now. Anybody else caught that baby? Oh no, I accidentally got oh man, okay, I got one runner left. Damn it, I clicked the wrong side. I actually got out of freaking 2 contracts and I wanted to get rid out of one. Whatever.
SoFlo Customs Hemi V8. That's basically my truck. Add 2 wheels and put a V8 in it. Which I don't want another truck. Maybe I do. I don't know. Rolls Royce, Cullinan, Mansory 101.
Yeah.
911, Koenigsegg. Koenigsegg's are cool.
Tushar, you've been a member for 1 month. Hey, 1 month anniversary. Let's go Tushar.
What are we looking at here? What is this? Toyota GTR. I know what a GTR is. Yeah. You guys are just posting the trucks. I don't want to get another truck. I don't want another truck. I'm tired of my truck. My truck is honestly pissing me off because it's a truck and you can't drive that thing forever. Toyota GTR.
Oh.
You guys are all
There
just
goes
posting SoFlo Customs.
Kathy's finally giving you praise, bro. Kathy says,
what do you want, Kathy?
good job, Logan, on that hopeful trade. Though that hopeful part kind of sounds like a little bit like, like did she have to hit hopeful in there? Like hopeful?
Yeah, right. That's like
Sounds a
she's
little
like
bit.
basically implying like you gambled for that long. Right?
Yeah, Kathy.
The only
Come
trade that I took
on.
during Power Hour just happened to run 75 points, but I'm just being hopeful. Kathy,
She's gonna be our.
you know what, Kathy?
Power
You know what I
Hour
have to say to
Karen.
you? Thank you.
It's okay.
How
We
about that?
love you.
How about that,
Yeah.
Kathy? Thank you, Kathy.
We love you. It's okay. I'm up 913 on this third eval I started working on.
Alexis to hide the true wealth? No. Ferrari 488 Pista?
If this 5-minute candle can close inside of orb, oh my goodness.
Why are we discussing this, Logan? You're not looking, are you?
Looking
No.
for, oh.
No.
He's making you guys do the shopping for him.
I'm not going to buy,
Smart.
Dan, I'm not going to buy a new car for
Hey, so I got this
until June,
advice.
July.
Dan, as our resident tax expert, right? Not financial advice stuff. Apparently, someone said if we buy a car, right? If we have our trading business and we put our logo on it, is it tax deductible?
Yes, of course.
Because it's being used as
You're using it for your social media
advertisement?
presence. Absolutely. Yes. Not financial advice, but yes.
Oh,
Yeah.
snap.
You're posting it on your car and it's in your socials and it's involved in everything that has to do with social media, which is your presence, which is your source of income. Absolutely.
But you need
Not financial advice.
to get it through. You have to get it through the business, though, right? You can't just put it under your name and say.
You can always just, I mean, it's still, again, I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I am saying is for entertainment purposes only, but you could basically explain that it was.
I'm not gonna buy no fancy spanky, nice ass car. I'm talking about like I'm gonna throw my M and Maestro trays on my. Hopefully, when me and my wife move to Florida, and the Kia still survives. It's
Smarter
actually
to do through the LLC. Yeah.
Yeah, it's smarter to do. Okay, see, that's what I'm gonna have to do, because we want to get a brand new not Sedona. What's it called? The Sienna. And if I slap my M on it, that's gonna be a nice tax write-off for next year. I needed that this year.
Stop sending me friend requests, especially you, Thomas Reen.
No, don't tell me that M2 equanimity. Can I bend the rules like the rich guys do? Right? They bend the rules, don't they? They're like private jet. 80% of the time using it for business meetings, but in reality, they're just, enjoying themselves. Am I frozen? It's not even bending, it's legal. I'm frozen. All right, let me get out and come back in. Of course, it's my turn today. YouTube's okay. I'm still moving on YouTube.
If my plan works, something might happen in June or July, aka massive, massive payouts coming. I'm going to buy myself a supercar.
Hey, we're back.
Buy a house? No.
Yeah.
Buy a house.
We'll be
I'm
one
going
of
to continue to
those.
rent. I'm going to continue to rent. And I'm going to invest into, I don't want to own a house. I'm going to rent myself and I'm going to invest into other things.
S. John Trades says, FYI, Burgundy helped me move all of my courses over to the new website. Very easy process. I recommend moving to the new website. So much better. I agree. The new website is clean as hell. I love it.
NJ coming for your gains? NJ ain't coming for shit.
MJ what?
I said NJ coming for your gains. I've been out of NJ now for 6 months, 7 months.
In less than 10 minutes.
That's what I do, Logan. Yeah, and Showtime's rich. You should look into option selling. I don't really need to look into it because I took the Maxtermine, and there's a guy, I don't know if you guys know him. His name is Big Daddy Max, and he is known as the top option selling trader there is. And if I want to get into it, I'll just do what he does.
Yeah. All right. Bottom of orb rejected again. Like, if it couldn't break in, I mean, should I?
I don't own anything in New Jersey. That doesn't make any logical sense. Why would I get taxed on New Jersey 2 years later? Your buddy just sounds like he's fucking retarded.
3 minutes left. They could easily pull the way back up, right?
See, look at that, Anarchy. Anarchy knows. He knows the strategy. He knows the plan. He knows what's going on.
Here we go. Let me see. Logie plan. March, April, May, June, July, supercar. Ah, I see.
He knows the plan.
So Apex will buy the car for you.
Apex will be funding my supercar.
You're gonna have to slap Apex on that bitch. Like, thank you, Apex, and then make a tax write-off deductible somehow. There's gotta be a way.
If courses were purchased on WAP, how do we move them over? If you're a student of anyone's, if you're a student of anybody, go open up a support ticket and the moderators will be able to rotate you or migrate you from WAP, WHOP, into the MOT website. Hey, Logan, does your course explain more than just the Pivot Hunter? Yes. Pivot Hunter is fractional in my course.
Let's see what it does at 88 if it gets up there. So far, it's resisting this whole area, but needs to break underneath that 70. That previous area where it broke, if this turns support, we're going to go test that top side. If it breaks it, then we're going to test some of the bottom side. Here's 70 tap.
What can I expect on the course, Logan? I just tell you to full port the whole time. If you're looking to buy a course that just says full port every trade, that's what my course sells. It's just full port. That's it. There's 33 lessons. Every single one says full port, just in a different language.
No. Okay. Let's see if this 1 minute candle can break underneath. If she struggles to get back over 70, we may have a dumpathon coming.
The Spanish one's my favorite. What's for dinner? More meal prepped foods. I'm looking jacked. And when I mean jacked, I mean I'm hungry all the time. I'm so tired of this healthy food. I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm tired of it. I'm tired of it. But I gotta work on my cholesterol. Wasn't looking good, so I gotta be healthy.
Oh, there's something.
Cardio now.
Oh, maybe something. Oh yeah, baby. I caught a little nibble of that. Oh yeah, baby. I caught a little nibble of that. I hate how I adjust my freaking entries whenever I start like getting them out. All right,
All
I'm
right.
now up. Oh, I'm got out on that pullback up, but it could retest that whole 70. If it stays underneath 70, 80, it could come back down. Oh yeah, there it goes again. Sweet. Oh, triple dipping, baby. Triple dipping, baby. Got another quick 10-pointer there. 20-point trade times. Yes, please.
I do love tacos.
I'll take that, baby. Gonna do it again? Will we do it again? Are we? Dom's going crazy up here at 70. All right, there's cracking up. Oh, snap. It's pushing back up. All right. Let's see what you want to do now. Do you want to hold above here? If it breaks 80, then we have potential continuation up. But for the time being, let's see if it breaks back underneath 70. Here we are. Can you keep going here or nah? You're going to stall out here. What are you going to do here? What are you going to do here?
Senior Hobby is in the process of building a course.
I haven't
When he
even
drops it, I'm
technically
personally going to buy it.
started it, but yes, I will. I will be putting one together. Oh my gosh, this is scalped like 30 points right there 3 times. And my runner's now running. I'm up 1,200 on this Apex account. The other 135. Oh my gosh, we dumping. We dumping. Anybody catch this with me? Probably not. Who knows? Oh, MOC is in 4 minutes. Ha ha. Ha 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 ha. Ha ha ha. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah, yeah. Yeah. 1,200, 300. So I'm up almost 6K on power hour, guys.
Damn.
Yeah.
What a big ass
I
power
started with
hour, Hobby.
I started with minis though. That's the problem. I started with minis.
I
That's
like the way you think. That's how it
yeah.
should
And
be.
then I switched to micros, and guess what? I'm up 740 on micros. Like look at this. Look at that. YouTube can't see it, which sucks. Wait, oh yeah, you can kind of see it right here, right? Like 731 on there.
Is Senior Hobby incorrect? Is that not how I don't know. Will Hobby's OG students get the course like mine did? I'm going to personally tell Hobby not to do that. I'm going to tell
Why
Hobby
not?
not to do that. Hobby,
They're going to be involved in the recording though.
I gave like fucking, I think I did the math. I gave like 400 people basically a free course.
But you got to grandfather them, man. I mean, you know.
I mean, I know. And I did.
Yeah.
Like,
You
you
know,
got to
they've
understand,
been around.
there are some students who signed up for a coaching session with me for like $300. And my course now is valued at like, well, I'm going to increase the price soon, but like, yeah, they've lucked out crazy.
Look where it bounced. Look at that level tap. Beautiful. I got trailed out as soon as it hit that level.
Yeah, Azrath, like he got it for 400. So he already 3x'd his investment.
Woo! Hell yeah.
Yeah. Paid $1,000 to share you with so many other people.
To share you with so many other people.
What do you mean by that?
Yeah, what do you mean by that?
Oh, the group coaching. Oh,
Oh
yeah, the
wait, she
group
did a
coaching class.
coaching
Yeah,
session.
the
That's
group coaching
right.
class. Yeah,
Oh,
yeah, I remember that.
dang! Now look at that bounce from that level. Freaking 40-pointer.
Appreciate you,
What a
Millie.
monster.
Yeah, Millie is one of my OG students. Millie, there's a
You're
few
hot.
students of mine. Some of these guys I coached before I even had the PHP indicator, and we showed them how to build it out without the indicator. Like OGs. Like I'm talking like almost a year ago.
That candle's perfectly lined up with the top of orb. This one's almost perfect. Not perfectly. This one's got a way to go for it to be lined up with the bottom. MOC is in a minute. Oh shit. MOC is in a minute. Damn, we have
The lines were
We are
lining. Yeah, we got a lot of lines.
slap dab in the middle here. I got no clean read, guys. I got nothing clean.
Oh
We
yeah,
are not even close to a level. Yeah. I didn't realize we were that close.
MOC stands for market on close.
99, obviously this 99, 16 area, and then below would be 44. 44 and 20. This could get stuck right here. I don't have anything clean right now. From here, it's stuck in like literally right in the middle of everything. I mean, if it holds 80, there's a possibility we'll get a push to 900 or 900 to 25. There goes. There goes. I got it with one micro. I caught it with one micro. It was just holding over 80. Oh man, I got trailed down there. Did I even
Oh, that's an entry for a long on the PHP. If you're still trading, that is a. Well, I wasn't paying attention. It
needs
looks
to
like
break 1675 next. That wicked right off of it.
that's a good entry
If
on
it
the
can
PHP
break,
long. Should be good on the PHP. Yeah, good shit, Hobby.
yeah, that was that level that was going to form right here. This is the only reason for me I wanted it to hold above 80. Is this level that's going to lock in? If this pulls back, it might. Next, it needs to break 1675. That is a 5-minute level though. But if it rips through this, we may touch. Oh man, I don't know if it's going to go up 40 points from there, but it could. But this is where we stalled out. This is the area that's 78. And what was it? It'll be around 79 if it'll lock in once this minute. There it is right there. 79 exactly. There's our level. 79. That's why I was looking at 80 to hold. So if we can keep ripping through 16, but it's kind of looking weak right now. Let me go to the other Apex account. This one I don't have that much on. Yep. Hard rejection off 16. But it could get stuck around here or not. Breaks back in. We're going to test 80 again. Let's see if it breaks back inside. And if it can keep pushing down. Nope. It's closing above. Not breaking back in. Ooh, maybe a potential 3-bar setup here. There's a 3-bar setup here, but it has to push through 16. Kind of stuck in here. Not sure how much time. This candle still has 2 minutes.
Hello, guys. I lose all. Please give me single SAR. I lose all. No problem, TRB. Whatever you want, dude. TRB, can I ask you, where are you from? Chat, let's take a guess. Yes, please, SAR. I need now. TRB, whatever you need. Where are you from?
That was going nuts.
I want to make sure I send it in your currency.
16's breaking here. Needs to hold. This 5-minute candle needs to hold 16. Still has 2 minutes left.
I'm from Mumbai, SAR. It checks out. Definitely checks out.
It's struggling to hold 16. All right, there goes. Can it keep going or no?
I don't know if the thing is on YouTube. I don't know if I'm being trolled or not. I don't know if I'm being trolled or not. Like if it's one of the Discord people or if it's just no. This is real. This is one of them. I not funny here. I need signal, please. All right, here's what you're gonna do, TRB. This isn't financial advice, SAR.
Oh, look at that rejected off 16. 12 points so far.
55, it's going to go long. Full port longs right now, not financial advice.
I just got a quick 10-point scalp
Right
down,
now,
but this
enter.
breaks 16. Dom is going nuts.
If you enter right now, like I said, Full port longs. Not financial advice.
40 seconds. It's waiting on this 5-minute candle. 40 seconds. What are we gonna do here? It's waiting
right.
on this 5-minute candle range. This 5-minute
You're
candle
up 5
closure.
points.
It's getting
There
spiky.
you go. You're up 10 points. There you go.
I'm in
There
the
you
long line.
go.
That
You're
break.
up 16 points. Okay,
Good.
that's a big trade. You should be up, if you full ported, you should be up around $3,000 right now.
If you
No,
put
I
more.
need financial advice, sir. I say I lose all my money. Bro, I'm not
Oh,
giving you
man.
financial advice, my guy. Everything we do here is entertainment purposes only.
Oh.
I am not a financial advisor. 4 seconds left, TRB. Are you holding the
This
full
is
port
going.
long?
This
Are
is
you holding
going.
it? Boom.
This is going. Yep, this
There
is
we go.
going.
There we
Oh,
go.
I
We're
got
up 24 points.
There's the break of 16 on the 5. Let's go. That was easy. I just added. This is the other account. I just added a
I
couple
buy.
hundred.
Yes,
Not
sir.
even a couple
Buy.
hundred.
Star, buy. Dude, I
240.
told you to buy 2 minutes ago, dude. You're so late.
Yep. Look at that.
That's a 20
Got 2
plus point
micros,
trade.
142.
Buy.
55. Can you get up to 55? Thank you. Can you get up to a 55?
Sar,
these
send me
monos?
gift card.
Oh my gosh, guy. No, we'll do one better. Oh no. Okay, I got trolled out. We'll do one better.
Go into the
We'll
Discord.
go to
in the
those
chat.
Bitcoin machines and we'll like do those button things where you got to press it and then you can potentially, hopefully, if you're lucky, you know, you might win a fifth of a 1/1,000,000th of a Bitcoin. Right? Then we could put that sucker in a gift card. Then we could send it to some guy's house in Arizona. And then somebody's going to pick up the package. And then they're going to grab the package. And then we'll have glitter and stuff in it, right? With the poo-poo, like fart smell. I'm thinking about these scammer shows.
Yeah, what the fuck are you talking about right now, dude?
I watch too many of those scammer YouTube guys that do that to them. They send those glitter bombs and shit. But they also follow them. Have you watched any of them? They get those poor old people to get cash, put it in an envelope, then go and take it to a person that picks it up. That person counts the cash while they're recording the thing, then deliver it to a house where the ringleader or somebody that's going to ship it overseas is. That sends it to the person in charge. It's crazy. Like the whole process of the way these scammers work is insane. And the fact that people actually fall for it. Oh my God, we're going to get
long real quick. We talk about this long
I'm-
that I said the full port on, Javi, is up fucking, it's still
Oh
ripping.
yeah, dude. I'm looking to see if it gets to that 55. So close. My runner is running. I'm up 170 right now. Just with the one macros. I got lost in my little moment of
You funny me because I lose rupees, but say cow meat if I not get all rupees. Okay. Now I know you're trolling.
yeah.
No, it's not funny. 40 point long. All right. Let's give away some shit.
Let's give away some shit. I wanted to hit my 55 and then I'll be out. No, you little. No, you got so close. No, take 55. Oh my God, it's close again. Hold on. Once it hits 55, we'll do the giveaway. It hit 54 and a quarter. You
40
dirty little
40 point full port.
chaka. Hit 54 and a quarter. It missed me by 75 cents. I might just full pour right now, and either this account's gonna get blown if it touches. No, I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that today. Just imagine full port for 5 points. I'll get cooked so bad. Hold on. Once it hits 55, we'll do the giveaway. If it doesn't hit 55, we're not doing a giveaway. So I apologize. So it has to hit 55. Your lives depend on it. It's literally 4 points away. It doesn't want to hit it. Looks like 55 is going to be the resistance point.
Today I am a gazillionaire in the Sims and Hindreedier on the PAA. Smiley face emoji. Smiley face emoji. Just $2 donut. And please
we
don't
have
discredit the
influencers.
Indian
We have
bro
like,
from Mumbai.
like influencers,
Smiley
like
face
pretty big
emoji.
influencers or whatever that, and they'll be like promote their links and stuff, and the mods will ban them, and then they'll come crying to Max, and they're like, "Go fuck yourself." The mods are hilarious. They just ban. They're like, "I don't give a fuck how famous you think you are."
Giveaway! You guys got the giveaway. We hit 55. Giveaways on. Yay! Look at that. Hit 55 and then rejected. Giveaways on. Look at that.
Did you get stopped out? How would I have gotten stopped out? My entry has had 0 pull. First of all, I didn't trade this trade. I said full port.
He didn't even. Yeah, he said full port.
But secondly, I said enter here, and there has been 0 pullback or drawdown, and it's shot up 40 points. So,
yep. And I waited for 55. If it did not touch 55, you guys don't understand the life or death situation y'all were in for the giveaway. Because if it did not touch 55, there was going to be no giveaway. Look what it hit. It hit 55.75.
And Javi did say that level also.
You understand that precision?
Yeah.
Right? I'm like the fucking surgeon of the market. You guys understand that, right?
Tushar says, today I am gazillionaire in the Sims and Hindrider on the PAs. Just $2 USD dono, and please don't discredit the Indian bro from Mumbai.
Are they? Oh,
you got it, Tushar. Thanks for the dono.
Right, Tushar. Thanks for the dono, Tushar. Maybe. Now, well, never mind. I'll keep that to myself. Kami is very tasty. Have you been to Texas? I got to a car accident in Texas, so kind of hate Texas right now. I also hate the Cowboys because I'm a Redskins fan.
What are our likes at on YouTube? 73.
Our likes on YouTube are always like we call bangers every freaking day, guys. Like every day. And our likes are always
these
like
2 trades alone were.
Look at this.
That's a 40-point trade plus 70. That's 115 points. 2 trades.
You guys could have shorted the 55 rejection because that's why I waited for it to tap. You would have been up 20 points. Right? Caught that beautiful
morning. Go ahead over 600 likes. I'm not giving away anything on YouTube, Hobby. We're not giving away anything on
short,
YouTube.
Scalp the long. We scalped it all, dude. We hit well over 150 points today.
Hobby, I'm going to make an executive decision. We're not giving away anything to the YouTube until we 300 likes.
Yeah, I agree with that. Like, I understand, like, I'd be, I'm going to keep my mouth shut on that too. But I'm just saying, guys, gals, we do this consistently every freaking day. Right? Every day, consistently. That was the middle of 1D volume imbalance, dude. What the fuck does that mean, creative wall printing? The hell does that mean? Middle of 1D volume imbalance?
You just got to give them the
Does that make any sense?
Just give them a thumbs up.
Idiots like me who makes money just doing something that doesn't have complicated terms like imbalance, inverses, intro, pterodactyl verses. My stuff is literally blue candle, purple candle, break, go. Levels hit, rejection, go.
Just put me by the.
All right, let's give away some shit.
Hit the triple verse of the triverse of the bottom soup of the turtle's tail nutsack, whatever.
124 likes. I guess we're not giving away anything on YouTube.
Yeah.
All right. Discord, Hobby. Let's do
All right. Javi, do you go over how you get your levels on YouTube? Yeah. I mean, the levels are created. I go over it on every quantum session. The levels get created by your action lines. You see where the crossovers happen? That's where the levels get created.
Too many past and payouts
this
to
right here on
maintain.
the
Thank you,
minute,
gentlemen.
This 55, that's a 15-minute level. That's a 15-minute level. Which is nuts. All right, here's your 2-minute levels. And on the 1 minute, those little dotted lines, those are 2-minute levels. 1 minute level. Solid lines. Do we have any here? Nope, don't have any solid lines. So I got no 5-minute levels on the 1 minute chart. On the 5 minute, I got a couple 5-minute levels down here. Okay. Okay. All right. Let's do it. Giveaway. Let's do the giveaway. I love that I make my money without having to like use the fanciest terms in the world. Like when I explain my stuff, it's literally break, retest, break, retest, break this, break that, break, retest, break, retest, A++ setup, A++ setup with confluences. That's it. All right. All right. Let's go.
Eho Jackson, too many past and payouts to mention. Thank you, gentlemen. Thank
All
you
right.
for the $10
First
donut.
number. Yay. Thank you. Thank you, Eho Jackson. All right. First number is going to be 276. Do not repeat this number. Do not put it on any of the chats. This is what we're going to count in the
I hope
audience.
you don't mind me saying this, but the code BDM gives already a lot of
I immediately saw
concessions in the
somebody type
price.
it in the freaking
If no
YouTube
one can
channel.
earn it, it's a shame already. Just $2.
Davies develops. Davies develops. Come on up to the stage. I seriously love how simple it is. I kept trying to learn all the complicated strategies, thinking that was the only way. No. Like Javi and Javi just talked about it. Like, you guys, if you were in the military, there's two things that we say, right? Or if you weren't in the military, whatever. There's two phrases and sayings that we have. One, right? KISS. Keep it simple, stupid.
Yeah.
The other one, break it down Barney style, right? Two things that we always say, Barney style and keep it simple, stupid.
And this guy's
The
saying
way
something
that
about a gap from last Thursday. Like, dude, if this was a gap from last Thursday, okay, how many times did we go through that gap? I'm sorry, because I hate people that talk about things that was a level from 10 months ago, and it came back to it. It freaking went through it like 50 times. Like, what? Like, what the hell, dude? Like, that's okay. Sorry, dude. I'm having a moment. Woosah. Okay. Sorry, bro. Sorry. Okay. Sorry. I'm sorry, man.
I lost my train of thought.
Always people make shit up. I swear. Like it was from last Thursday. Okay, from last Thursday. It went through it a bajillion times already.
But yes,
okay, sorry, bro.
Javi and I trade very, very, very simple. I teach my students how to trade very, very, very simple. We make trading as simple as possible. What happened to that guy who was on stage?
I have no idea. I think I scared him. I might have scared his ass when I started just going on.
Davies.
Oh god. Okay.
All right. Well, let's do another person.
You charged my phone. Nice. Okay. I didn't think it was going to charge it fast. All right. Next number. Again, do not type in these numbers. We count on the audience. All right. Oh, this one's a low number. Number 6.
It's the recording bot. You got to do another one.
244.
What's the number?
244. Zene, on question on quantum, when you are on 1 minute, do you need to include 1 minute on settings time frame or only bigger time frame? I'm not sure what that question is, Zan. You're talking about the levels? Because I have the my level settings are pinned in the quantum chat. So I have the 1 minute, 5 minute, and 2 minute. And I have these
Davies
pinned.
develops. Open up a support ticket, man. You get access to any indicator free for an entire week. Open up a support ticket, Davies.
Yeah, Davies. All right, next number, 91.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
There was a gap from 1977. I just stamped.
Dan 23. Dan 23.
Anarchy deserves accounts. Oh yeah, didn't Dan just did he just win like 3 times or some shit? in the last couple days?
I never win, bro.
Oh, you never won? I swear I thought I seen you, bro. Oh, no,
man,
you're new. You're
No,
new.
I
I don't
won
think I've
once.
seen you before.
Yeah,
What made you, Javi? I got a question. What made you so
Yeah.
confident that he was new?
I don't know. Zero idea. I'm old.
I'm
I'm
always
old.
oh shit, bro. I'm always talking shit, stuff fun, bro. I'm trying to make stuff fun here. Okay. But I did win. I did win an indicator on YouTube last week. So I got
There you go.
Yeah.
Well, Dan,
Awesome, bro.
congratulations. You just won another indicator. But how's your trading been going?
So I'm in for like probably like 4 or 5 grand already. I started. I'm holding on my iPad. Sorry. I started about December 28th, and I'm an insurance agent, and I just had a little girl. So me and my wife had a baby. Thanks, man. Been home a lot, and so what I do is I do a lot of traveling. So since I was home and this time of year is super slow for me, so I do like enrollments. So for like corporations, companies, they contract me to go to them and break down the information for them. This time of year is super slow, the beginning of the year. So I have a lot of home time. So I decided to get into it. I'm not even haven't even answered your question yet, bro. Sorry. Anyways, so it started off a little shitty, but it's getting a lot better. I've learned a lot, man. I've gotten close. I was 1 day away from a payout, blew my funded. Right now, I'm 2 days in on a Apex on one of them, on my funded, and 3 days in on another funded. So hopefully that one leads to a payout. So I'm getting a lot closer, a lot better, dude. But man, dude, shoot, it's like I get ahead of myself, bro. It sucks, dude, but I know I'll get there. As soon as I break that, I know I'll do better. I've learned so much. Like every time I see one of y'all's like lessons, even these lives, dude, like I pick little stuff and it's like every day I learn something more and I get that much closer to a payout.
The concept, the idea behind it. I'll give you this. I'll give you don't have any course. Here's some sauce for you guys. Straight up. And I want you, if you're a new trader or a struggling trader, ingrain this in your head. Ingrain this in your head. Stop trying to trade more than you need to. Stop trying to overcomplicate trading. Stop trying to do something that you feel is already stressing you out. So what do I mean by that? Hobby trades a lot more than I do, right? Hobby trades a lot more than I do. Hobby trades smaller size than I do. But here's why Hobby and I are very similar. I know for me, psychologically, I cannot trade multiple times a day, right? I will go for one big trade and I call it. Hobby doesn't like to go heavy on one big trade. Obviously, he's having fun here. Hobby, for him mentally, where he's comfortable, is multiple trades, smaller size. So this is how him and I are similar. If you guys start getting into trades, this is the most important thing. Trading is 199% psychology, right? Because I really think trading isn't fucking hard because trading strategies can be very simple. Look at hobbies, look at mine. All you need to do is just get into a trading strategy or setup that doesn't cause emotional stress. Don't go into anything that's making you think too much, overcomplicated, or have some type of emotions driven from it. If you can find a strategy like hobbies where you're comfortable trading all day because you're trading small size, or if you're going to do mine where you're comfortable taking one good trade, then that's all you need to do. Stop overcomplicating trading and don't put yourself in a stressful situation because as soon as emotions are involved in trading, you will fail. Point blank. Yeah. That's something that you should retain.
100%, bro. And it's so funny you say that because these past 2 weeks, and I'm not trying to sound arrogant, I haven't even gotten a payout, but I've realized I'm like, trading isn't hard. It's really not. Like, it's really, really not. It's my own self that's killing myself, bro. Like, I'm doing it to myself. I'm getting, like, I want to hit a $700 a day, and I hit $400 earlier in the day, and it's power hour. I'm like, you know what? Let me try to get there. I see a setup, and then I lose, and then I'm down 200, and then now I'm on tilt. And it's like, if I would have just mentally kept myself stable, I would have had a green day. And it's myself, and I'm working on that, and I'm getting better at it. But man, you hit it on the money, Logan. 100%, bro.
Yeah. Well, and remember, man, you said you started in December, right? You just started. Yeah. You're a few months in. that's the fact that you've already got so close to a payout. You're already ahead of a lot of people. So, be proud of the steps you've already taken and what you've already done, right? But every time you mess up, take notes and get stricter and stricter and stricter, right? Like trading for me is fun, dude. Like it is fun. This is why I don't need to trade all day. I don't have to. I'm usually done. I have a couple of times. I know my students know my most profitable times. I share it with them. That's where I'm done with my funded accounts. All the other times, I'm just trading because I fucking love to do it. Like I'm like one of those guys at Wall Street, like Einstein too. Like he loves to trade. He'll do it all day because he freaking loves it. I do it all day because I love it that much. And you guys get to see, the wizardry that I get to display every day at Power Hour and how it can call these levels and these areas over and over and over again. It's just fun for me. And you will get there, but you can't give up. You have to keep taking notes and you have to keep learning from your losses. That's the key. And you said it, like Logan said it right on the dot, man. It's all up here. It's you. It's you versus you.
And I noticed that I can't be there yet, though. Also, Javi. So like trading all day, having fun. I'm not there. I can't be there yet. And I've realized that this past couple weeks. I can't I can't trade all day. I will make a mistake. For me, it has to be just a couple trades, do my thing, get out. And hope, bro, I'm fingers crossed, man. Next week I have my first payout. But I'm trying to stay stricter to that. But I can't be that all day trader yet until I learn what it's like to have some payouts and to be a little bit more disciplined,
Yep. Take your time to get there, bro. Trust me.
Yeah.
You'll get there. You don't
I
need to hit.
appreciate
You don't
you
need to
guys.
hit a home run every day.
Yeah, man.
I
Thank
knew
you.
this guy was in.
Let's go.
But hey, man, congratulations, Dan. Open up. Continue.
You broke up at the end there, Logan, but thanks, man.
Absolutely, brother. Talk soon. Open up a sport ticket. No, I was saying that guy on YouTube. I knew he wasn't actually. He gave it away at the end. That comment about cow, and I saw it, and I was like, okay, whatever.
Yeah, I see it. I see
My
it
screen
now.
froze. Is my screen still frozen? Is
No,
my
you're
screen
good
still
now.
frozen?
I think like your internet comes and goes because every once in a while you're like,
Dude,
and then you'll come right back in. Yeah, you're good now. All right, next
I don't know what's up
number. How many have we done?
with
2?
my internet. Do one on YouTube.
All right, let's do one. Okay, you two. You guys are lucky. All right.
Should we not? Should we tell them to kick rocks? I mean, it's up to you.
Did we get the likes that we wanted? Let's take a look. Did we get the likes
Not
that
even
we wanted?
close.
I gotta refresh. Not even close. Come on, YouTube. All right. Sorry, YouTube. We didn't get the likes that we needed. We're gonna play fair. Guys, gotta kick it up a notch. Gotta kick it up a notch. Gotta represent a little more. All right. Next number 148. Pedro, like, I'll take the hate today. I'll take the hate today.
We
Shark
got
Biter just became a student.
Stefan Trades. YouTube. Let's do this. YouTube.
All right.
So that you guys continue to keep coming and keep watching us. We're gonna give away it to you guys. YouTube.
Okay,
The password is gonna be discipline. Password. The word of the day is gonna be discipline. Let's see how many people.
Discipline. Let's see how many people spell it wrong.
Now they're just copying and pasting.
Yeah, they are.
Okay. All right. 5, 4.
Here.
Oh well, Stefan, you're good, man. Camera's on though. 3, 2, 1.
How do I do it?
Designed to edify on YouTube. Designed to edify on YouTube. Up a sport ticket. Congratulations. Stefan, traders, how you doing?
Good, man. How are you?
Good. How's your trading going?
Good. I bought a P2P course last week, and it's been pretty sick. I've been really going through it, and this week I passed 5 Tradify accounts and 1 Apex
Wow.
so far.
Look at that, dude. Good shit, dude.
Hell
So
yeah.
obviously you're rocking and rolling. You're doing really well. That's great to hear, man.
I'm about to throw Pedro out the window. About to drive to wherever you live. I'm gonna find out where you live and throw you out the window.
But yeah, Stefan, I mean, we don't really got much else to say. You're trading well. You invested in your education. You're doing well. You're also going to get is access to any indicator free for an entire week. Congratulations, man.
Hell yeah.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
All right, man.
Okay.
All right. Now let's
right.
do one more for a FFF account.
Dude, I'm excited about FFF's new account type. Have you
Yo,
seen it?
same.
That's
I
good.
had students asking me about my FFF. I'm
Yeah.
waiting. I said I YOLO'd my other ones. I'm waiting for the new one. I want to get the new one.
Yeah, I did this. I have 2 active, and I'm waiting for the new ones too. Like, I'm
Yeah.
not gonna buy anymore. I want to wait for those new ones because I want to play. I like new stuff like that. So I'm waiting on that. All right, next number for the FFF giveaway. 400. Oh wait, we don't have that many people in here no more. So we get 400. We don't have that. Number 4.
2, 3, 4. Blinder. I'm constantly losing after winning a lot. Abandoned my strategy from trading to regroup. Javi, what do you think?
That's pretty much you're pretty much digging your own grave when you abandon the strategy that you were consistently winning with before just because it stopped working a couple times. You're gonna start doing that whole bouncing thing, and you're gonna dig yourself into a deeper hole. Um, that's something I did before as well. I would definitely take breaks, right, in between. If you take a couple losing days, just take a break, right? If you got a strategy that's consistent, don't give up on it because of a couple losing days, right? I mean, Logan, you gonna give up on your CSO breakout strat just because you lost one day?
Yeah, I'm full porting all my accounts.
There you go. See, I mean, wait, what? Damn it. Okay, then again, whatever. You know what? Bounce around if you want, but you're gonna learn real fast that you're gonna be all over the place, and then you're gonna be confused, and then you're gonna be downing every setup, and that's just suicide. You're just gonna kill yourself in the end. You're gonna constantly go tilt, and you're never gonna know what's gonna work and what's not because you're gonna just confuse yourself in the end. I'm sorry, like that's literally what happened to me. Like quantum in the beginning, I gave up on it for a while, and I couldn't find something as consistent as quantum, and now I'm here.
No, I agree with Javi. Same thing. I took a loss yesterday. People bet against me, and I traded it again today, and I made it for my. And now I'm going to potentially get a $55,000 payout tomorrow because I stuck to my rules, stuck to my strategy, accepted that nothing is 100% win rate. Follow your rules, follow your most profitable strategy. If you believe in your strategy, stick with it.
Exactly. Don't say what's up, Capture Vision. Did I say something messed up for YouTube?
Let's do another person.
Oh, oh.
Let's
Eh,
bring
you
up
know
another
what?
person.
You might be right on that. We might have to what's towards the end, we hopefully will be okay. All right, next person. 168.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14,
Good looking out,
15,
Capta.
16, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Rock condition brain.
I want to bring you up, but you have pronouns in your bio.
Oh no! Bring him up. Now you have to bring him up.
No, I don't. Fuck that. No, if you have pronouns in your bio, fuck you. I don't even care if you're a student. Fuck you. No.
All right.
Next.
Damn well. Next number will be 30.
2, 3. Yeah, I just decided. I don't care. Oh, it's a student. I don't give a fuck. All right. New. This is a different person, not the same person. Gern Blonstein. I don't know why I had to say it so German.
He picked his own kind. It's right. It's right.
It was also a dude, by the way. I just want to point that out. It was a dude who had pronouns in this thing.
Yeah, interesting. But maybe he did it as a joke.
Or I guess technically probably it wasn't a dude. Maybe it was a girl. I don't know.
Maybe.
You have to put your pronouns in.
You're right, because you have pronouns. It could have been a unicorn, right? They might freaking say, hey, I identify as a fucking cat. Oops. The world we live in. Have you seen those people that pretend they're animals? Like legit, like my wife went into this whole Instagram like hole where she's like, "What the hell is this?" And people were pretending they were dogs, like walking in the metro.
There are people who have leashes on.
Yeah, like all that. and like barking and sniffing other dogs' butts and shit. And I'm like, what is this?
We allow these people, and what's crazy is we allow these people to decide who is going to be running our country.
They have a name?
We allow
Therians?
these
Mauricio
people-
and Sky.
We allow these people to have a right to vote and decide who is going to lead our country.
Yeah, it confuses the hell out of me. I'm sorry. Like,
Crazy.
they're called Therians. They have an actual name. I didn't know that there was a term for it.
No, that's not the word they are.
They're all saying it. Lovie said it.
No, it's what
Sky
Squish
said
said.
it.
It's that's what they are. JB's on
Yeah,
point.
yeah. I see it. All right, what happened to Mr. Blogenstein or Blonstein?
I don't know, but he's getting kicked. Come on, nobody wants a free account.
Does nobody want that free account? All right, next number will be 64.
3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, I haven't seen this guy in a while. I know he's good. Salty Sea.
Oh yeah, we haven't seen that guy in a second.
I have trouble catching and noticing the move live. I did what it did after the fact, but struggling to notice it live. What do you recommend? Invest in your education. Logan, I has free account, sir. Need signal help monies. Sorry to hear that. Salty Sea, how you doing, man?
Hey, brother.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, man. How you doing?
Good.
How's your trade doing?
Up and down. A few good ones, and then into too many trades.
Too many trades.
Too many trades. Yeah.
Salty Sea, I'm going to be honest with you. I think we talked a few months back, and I think
Same deal, bro. Same deal.
What's your plan?
Yeah. What's the plan?
I don't know. Keep punching away at it till I come right, mate. I mean, it's all you can do, isn't it? It's down to me in the end.
I think you need to stop punching it and maybe like caress
Well,
it a little bit, you know?
Caress it.
Yeah, I mean semantics, you know.
You know, I have to show a little more love.
You're right.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, no, mate, I'm not a good call up for you guys, mate. I'm fucking most unentertaining and fucking stubbornly poor at fucking wanting to fucking smash myself, mate. It's just you know, but it's the bottom line. I mean, it's just discipline, psychology. You got to get sick of your own shit, hey? I'm pretty close, so yeah, we'll get there.
Well, hey, man, we're going to give you an opportunity. Let's test and see how close you really are. You're going to get an FFF account. So open up a support ticket, brother, and really see how well you can focus on not trading more than you need to. Win or lose, focus on a good trade and call it and move on. All right, man?
Yeah, but I want to be like fucking Harvey, mate. I want to take even more trades than Harvey and just win even more than that.
That's a dangerous game.
There you go. That's a fucking dangerous game, bro. That's what I'm saying. Yeah. I mean, when I used the quantum, it was right when it first came out, and I was just starting with funded, with you know, live accounts, or not, with evals instead of just paper, and I think it just threw me because I really only knew about sort of the A+ setups back then, and I was just wanting to take too many fucking trades.
Yeah.
So it had touched that line, and I'd be in.
No, and I get it because at first, right, this was the thing. This is why I started doing the study sessions because I didn't do a good job really breaking it all down. And now I have all the YouTube videos and everything. And the more people start watching it and how repetitive it all really is, now people are like, oh, snap. Now I finally get it. Because this is like, again, right, this is something insanely unique. There's nothing like this, right? There's not anything with these kind of candles or reactions I'm looking for in the levels that is all built into an indicator like this, that you just play the same things over and over and over again. So it took a lot of time to kind of build around that educational piece on YouTube. And finally, the study sessions that I start doing every week. And now I see people actually using it right.
there's so much actually stuff going on there. It's not simple. You know what I mean? You've got your blues and your purples, you've got your fucking lines, and you've got all the different ways of playing. I mean, you've got fucking 5 different ways of playing it. So
It's
not,
simple. You know what to look for,
yeah,
but that's the thing.
exactly.
Complicate it, and they look for too many things, and you can just look for the same one thing over and over and over again. I can play all the setups because
That's
obviously
right.
this is.
I mean, you can play it as a range breaker, fucking anything.
Yeah. But like any course, right? When you go into a course, guess what? You're gonna learn 3, 5, 6 strategies. If you try to play every single one of the strats, you're probably gonna get burned on half or more of them. You have to be able to study the market, adapt to price action, and play the strategy that is currently paying you that day and stick to it. So that's that's something that again I've been focusing a lot on as well to explain people. There's basics of it. There's so many simple basic easy setups you can play over and over and over again. Low risk stop losses, everything. But yeah, bro, I'm glad to hear it though. Yeah, but yeah, get that account, man. Start fresh. Stop punching the market. Okay, show it some love. Right, give it a nice little soft tap in the butt. Just something gentle, something nice. Right.
You got it.
Let's kick it down a notch, and let's take it slow. You got this account. Let's see what you can do with it. We want to see you pass it. We don't want to see you blow it.
You guys are bloody champions, eh? I fucking love you guys, eh? Honestly, this fucking disco is like the best thing in the fucking internet. It's the best thing in the fucking world. You guys are just the absolute shit. Well, I was here since February 3rd last year, so that's our 1-year anniversary. And I just fucking love you guys. I mean, you're fucking, mum, the missus, fuck it, it's MOT after that, mate. And fucking thank you guys so much for doing this for everyone, eh?
Absolutely.
Max has come so far, Lama's come so far in a year. I mean, they're incredible traders, incredibly entertaining. But now just fuck every time these guys open, every time anyone there opens their mouth, it just fucking cracks me the fuck up, bro. I just love you guys. Fucking, it's just amazing what you've done. But fucking everything is incredible. Music, fuck, I don't know. Get me the fuck out of here. Let you guys get on with your day. Fucking mad props to all of you, bro.
Solid C, we appreciate you, brother. Have a great day, and we're looking forward to hearing from you again. And do it slow, brother. And talk soon. All right, man.
I'm gonna take a fucking trillion trades a day. I'm gonna get this bitch, bro. I'm gonna get this bitch. Don't worry about
it. All right, man. All right, man. Talk soon.
Right, I've got this, bro. Don't worry.
All right.
There you go, dude.
I'm ready to get the fuck out of here, guys. All right. Great power hour. Hobby and I caught a bunch of points, 150 plus points, a lot of money. Trade, sign up for the course, sign up for the indicator, sign up for everything, blah, 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 blah. Don't care anymore.
Yeah, guys. Yeah, y'all. Fun day. Another insane, very volatile freaking power hour. Check out our YouTube, Insta, TikTok, X, all that fun stuff. Please like, subscribe, tickle the bell, do all that. Please tip the staff, right? Make sure you guys show some love. We will see you again tomorrow. Everyone, not financial advice with JJ's. Peace out.
Later.
Do a quick 5-10, counting up on both hands, that's dinero. Do a quick 5-10, counting up on both hands, that's dinero. They said life after death, they was never that close. Hit the wheel, love, I be in the back row. Then it flipped on his head, it's a fact though. 2 wheels to the chest, had a body on a gurney. Out from the crowd, make the whole place scurry. And I know they were worried, but it wasn't my time. Came back in a hurry. Life gave me a burden, turning in my trip, turned into a gift. Starting all over, I was starting a trip. Took a little trip, turned into a brick. Then I did again. Took a little trip, turned into a brick. Then I did again. Took a little trip, running shit, turned into a trip. We in and out quick. Let my head go, heat of my head go. Do a quick 5-10, counting up on both hands, that's dinero. Let my head go, heat of my head go. Do a quick 5-10, counting up on both hands, that's dinero. Big win in the morning, let's celebrate. Poppy need a steak on the plate. A little wine, the white kind, the Sauvignon Blanc. New father, I'm doing my job. Can't do what I used to do. This life ain't just for me, it's for you. I'm focused, keeping my emotions from overflowing. To me, it's like an ocean that never ends. So when you learn how to swim, you never get wet. And you never forget that you a vet. I keep you in my mind every second. I hope you never had to feel how I felt. But you gotta know the truth. My life without you was no life at all. Corner shift, shift, corner doing shift, shift. Then I did it again. Corner and shift, corner shift, shift. Corner doing shift, shift. We in and out quick. Am I? You the mind?